ISAF RS phase. Taliban Afghan National Security Forces. 352,000 Resolute Support Mission. 17,000 Taliban. 60,000 HIG. 1,500 to 2,000 plus Al-Qaeda. 300 IEHCA. 3,000 to 3,500 Fidai Mahaz. 8,000 Afghan Security Forces. 65,596 plus killed Northern Alliance. 200 killed coalition. Dead. 3,562 wounded. 22,773 Taliban. 67,000 to 72,000 plus killed Al-Qaeda. 2,000 plus killed. The continued list includes nations who have contributed fewer than 200 troops as of November 2014. Timeline: airstrikes, major insurgent attacks 2002, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 massacres. The war in Afghanistan is an ongoing war following the United States invasion of Afghanistan that began when the United States of America and its allies successfully drove the Taliban from power in order to deny Al-Qaeda a safe base of operations in Afghanistan. Since the initial objectives were completed, a coalition of over 40 countries, of which certain members were involved in military combat allied with Afghanistan's government. The war has afterward mostly consisted of Taliban insurgents fighting against the Afghan armed forces and allied forces. The majority of ISAF RS soldiers and personnel are American. The war is code-named by the US as Operation Enduring Freedom and Operation Freedom Sentinel. It is the longest war in US history, following the September 11 attacks in 2001 on the US, which was carried out by the Al-Qaeda terrorist organization led by Osama bin Laden, who was living or hiding in Afghanistan and had already been wanted since the 1998 United States embassy bombings. President George W. Bush demanded that the Taliban, who were de facto ruling Afghanistan, hand over bin Laden. The Taliban declined to extradite him unless they were provided clear evidence of his involvement in the attacks, which the US refused to provide and dismissed as a delaying tactic. On October 7, 2001, the United States, with the United Kingdom, launched Operation Enduring Freedom. To justify the war, the Bush administration claimed that Afghanistan only had selective sovereignty, and that intervention was necessary because the Taliban threatened the sovereignty of other states. The two were later joined by other forces, including the Northern Alliance, the Afghan opposition which had been fighting the Taliban in the ongoing civil war since 1996. By December 2001, the Taliban and their Al-Qaeda allies were mostly defeated in the country. And at the Bonn Conference, new Afghan interim authorities elected Hamid Karzai to head the Afghan interim administration. The United Nations Security Council established the ISAF to assist the new authority with securing Kabul, which after a 2002 lawyer jirga became the Afghan Transitional Administration. A nationwide rebuilding effort was also made following the end of the totalitarian Taliban regime. In the popular elections of 2004, Karzai was elected president of the country, now named the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. NATO became involved in ISAF in August 2003, and later that year assumed leadership of it. At this stage, ISAF included troops from 43 countries with NATO members providing the majority of the force. One portion of US forces in Afghanistan operated under NATO command. The rest remained under direct US command. Following defeat in the initial invasion, the Taliban was reorganized by its leader Mullah Omar, and launched an insurgency against the Afghan government and ISAF in 2003. Though outgunned and outnumbered, insurgents from the Taliban, and to a lesser extent Hezbollah Islami Gulbuddin and other groups, waged asymmetric warfare with guerrilla raids and ambushes in the countryside, suicide attacks against urban targets, and turncoat killings against coalition forces. The Taliban exploited weaknesses in the Afghan government to reassert influence across rural areas of southern and eastern Afghanistan. From 2006, the Taliban made significant gains and showed an increased willingness to commit atrocities against civilians. ISAF responded by increasing troops for counterinsurgency operations to clear and hold villages. Violence sharply escalated from 2007 to 2009. Troop numbers began to surge in 2009 and continued to increase through 2011 when roughly 140,000 foreign troops operated under ISAF and U.S. command in Afghanistan. Of these, 100,000 were from the U.S. on 1 May 2011. United States Navy SEALs killed Osama bin Laden in Abbottabad, Pakistan. NATO leaders in 2012 commenced an exit strategy for withdrawing their forces. And later the United States announced that its major combat operations would end in December 2014, leaving a residual force in the country. In October 2014, British forces handed over the last bases in Helmand to the Afghan military, officially ending their combat operations in the war. On 28 December 2014, NATO formally ended ISAF combat operations in Afghanistan and officially transferred full security responsibility to the Afghan government. The